Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from TikTok. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first stop, go ahead and go to your profile right here at the bottom right, tap on it. And then once done, just go ahead and go to the top right, tap on the three horizontal lines, tap on it. And then here we have the balance section. Okay. So tap, wait for it to load. And once it loads, okay, what we would do is go ahead and add in our payment method. Okay, or payout method. So why it's needed? Because TikTok right here pays you out every Monday automatically. Okay, so once you're in here, just go ahead over to the estimated balance, tap on view, wait for it to load. And once it loads, tap on live rewards, tap on it. And then in here, you have the withdraw option. Okay, you can only tap on withdraw if you have 100 USD right here available. Tap on it. And also if you have a payment or payout option added. Okay, so where do we find that, or how do we add? Okay, so by the way, if you add a payout option, you will be automatically paid on Mondays. Okay, so to add a payout option, just go back right here under your balance, tap on three dots and tap on payout methods. You can use your PayPal or Payoneer. Depending on your region, your payout options or methods will be different. Okay, and once you have your payout or withdrawal method added, you can now go back. Okay, go to your live rewards, and if you have available rewards right here, just tap on withdraw. If not, you can just wait for the automated payout every Mondays. All right, and there you have it. That is how you withdraw money from TikTok. Well, I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.